Hi, everybody, and welcome to I Smell a Rat, Barn Hunt 101. I'm Erin Hensley. Getting your dog to realize that they can search for a given, XYZ, in this case it's rats, on cue is a behavior that can be taught out of context and then brought into the barn to kind of maximize your lessons, your class setting. You must wait for the judge's signal to start, and you have to start from the start box. Once your dog leaves the start box, that's when time starts, whether or not you are ready. So it is helpful to have some good kind of basic obedience behaviors. Will also kind of tie into the lack of control penalty. So that could be your dog's too rough on the tube and you can't get them off the tube. That could be once you pass the tube off to the rat wrangler, if that's what you choose to do. The dog is now chasing and biting at the rat wrangler, trying to get the tube back. That can be a lack of control. So you see her indication here is going to be pawing at the hay and all. So now we'll get into some fun stuff. This is what course maps are going to look like.